The future of birthright citizenship hanging in the balance after the Supreme Court rules that federal judges no longer have the authority to grant nationwide injunctions. Good evening. Welcome to Fox 11 News at 5 on Fox 11 and Fox 11 Plus. I'm Alex Michaels.
And I'm Christine Devine. Those injunctions have been playing a big role in why many of the president's executive orders have been blocked. Fox's Rebecca Castor starts us off tonight and explains.
This case centered on two major issues: nationwide injunctions and birthright citizenship. The justices did not weigh in on whether President Trump's ban on birthright citizenship is illegal. Instead, they ruled lower courts do not have sweeping authority to influence policy across the country.
I want to just thank again the Supreme Court for this ruling. It's a giant.
The Trump administration is celebrating after the Supreme Court ruled Friday to limit nationwide injunctions, a legal tool federal judges have used to block at least 40 of the president's policies this term.
Here, the Supreme Court is agreeing with the Trump administration that these judges are well past their authority given to them.
Thanks to this decision, we can now promptly file to proceed with numerous policies that have been wrongly enjoined on a nationwide basis.
One of those policies is Trump's executive order ending birthright citizenship for children born to parents in the U.S. illegally. But this ruling doesn't mean the ban goes into effect immediately. The court put a 30-day hold on it, giving time for more legal challenges.
Most likely, that will be decided in October in the next session.
The court's three liberal judges dissented. Justice Sonia Sotomayor says the parents of children covered by the citizenship order would be well advised to file promptly class action suits and request temporary injunctive relief. Today, the justices also ruled that parents have the right to opt their children out of classes on LGBTQ topics, and insurance companies must continue to offer free preventative health services, a key Obamacare measure. At the Supreme Court, Rebecca Castor, Fox News.
Since California is fighting Trump's directive, it seems local birthright citizens will not be affected.
But that doesn't mean they are not worried. Fox 7's Christina Gonzalez is live in downtown L.A. with more.
Yeah, and what ironically is the birthplace of Los Angeles, Olvera Street here. Now, keep in mind that over 4 million U.S.-born children right now are living with an undocumented parent, according to the Pew Research Center, many of them here in L.A. So it doesn't take long to find somebody who fears they would be affected by this whole thing. Listen.
My parents were here illegally when I was born, but I went to school, I'm a nurse. I've done a lot for this country. I'm a firstborn, so I don't agree with that.
My parents were here illegally at one point, so that means that affects me too. I serve this country too, so.
President Trump's executive order is aimed at ending birthright citizenship for babies of undocumented immigrants or parents with temporary status in the U.S. And millions of people could be affected if it's applied retroactively, which is something many legal scholars doubt.
Look, we are a country of immigrants. My parents were both naturalized American citizens, and my mother didn't become a naturalized American citizen until I was in college.
He's a professor at Loyola Marymount. Indeed, plenty of successful, well-known people like U.S. Senator for California Alex Padilla are birthright citizens. American-born celebrities like actress Diane Guerrero and Olympic gold medalist wrestler Henry Cejudo have spoken about their undocumented parents. But most likely those are not Trump's targets, theorizes Loyola professor Stanley Goldman.
The fact that birthright citizenship is up for play does create some very interesting questions about if the administration, if they're able to deport people selectively based on their parents from years ago, whether they can just selectively pick their enemies and decide, well, there's an argument maybe they weren't legal, so let's just move on them.
The whole issue disturbing to many we spoke to at what is considered Los Angeles' birthplace, Placita Olvera.
They're natural citizens, so there shouldn't be a reason why those rights are taken away from them.
Now, while California seems safe because they're fighting this whole thing, keep in mind that Trump's order reads, and I pulled it out, it prohibits the State Department from issuing passports or recognizing birth certificates from children targeted by the order. That would be children in California, even as California is fighting the whole thing. So this could get really, really messy. In downtown Los Angeles, I'm Christina Gonzalez. Back to you in the studio.